Good scoop, man. Saving a run. Defensive run saved. She haven't played on the dirt in a long time. Yeah, kid! Sacrifice fly.